Hi, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, let's locate the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's located right here on the left side at the top. Right here. Now, we need to open this cover first. To do it, simply use your fingernail and pry it open like this. Now we have a SIM card and SD card tray right here. I'm not sure if I can show it to you because of the light, but I'm gonna try to move it so you can see it. It's right there, and we can also we have also this little hole next to it, and we can use it to open the tray. To open it, take some kind of pin, for example paper clip or this handy pin tool that usually comes with the phone. Put it inside of that hole that you could see before, then push it in, like this. The tray will pop out. Now I'm gonna use this pin to take it out and then grab it with my fingers like that. Let's take our phone, place it on the stand, take our SIM card and SD card tray. To place the SIM card on it, simply take it, the SIM card and the tray, and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry. Now let's take the SD card and do the same. Oh, my bad. Be careful though, because they tend to fall off. I just dropped it and I need to put it back again on a tray. So here we have our SD card on a tray, and SIM card goes this way. Oh, like I said, be careful because they easily fall off. Okay, now I have a SIM card and SD card on my tray, and we can insert it into our phone. So let's rotate it like this, and slowly put in the tray in it and slide it in till the end. If you can't reach it with your finger, use the pen or the pin to push it in completely like that. Now let's close the cover, and as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the pin for it. So let's do it. Here you can tap yes or no, depends what you like, and let's check if the SD card is working as well. And as you can see, it is. We can see right here on the notification bar. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.